Hey, it's Caleb Roth. I'm here to talk to you today about Expert Stain and Seal. I get a lot of questions about what color should I use and questions on transparencies, and I just want to clear all that up for you guys so you can make a good decision on your do-it-yourself project or your customer's project. So Expert Stain and Seal is available in clear finishes, transparent finishes, semi-transparent, and semi-solid. These are going to give you choices across the board to cover just about any type of stain project you got going on. So a clear finish is generally a high maintenance finish, a high cost finish for really nice wood. So remember, clears are gonna stop warping, they're gonna stop cracking and twisting, and they're gonna keep water damage and weather damage out of the wood, but there's not gonna be a lot of protection from UV. So you can expect a clear finish to allow the wood to turn gray naturally over time, and it would require maintenance intervals every 12 months, every 18 months, and every 6 months on some lumber species types. So what you might use it on is brand new wood that you don't care if it turns gray. You might use it on exotics, and then you might use it for something if it's, it's just a piece of wood you want to protect, but you're not really worried about the color. At Expert Stain and Seal, we make clear stain and sealer, and then we make Alpine Seal log and timber oil, which is a clear finish also. So transparents are lightly pigmented stains and sealers, so very similar to a clear, but we got a little bit of color in there. And so these work great for brand new wood or wood that's 6 months old or less. They do a really good job of highlighting the beauty of the wood grain. They highlight all the great things that are there, but also because they're lightly pigmented, if you have old wood or dull wood or restored wood, they're gonna just not have enough pigment to overcome that dullness in the wood, and so probably not the best choice for older or restored wood. It's available in colors you've heard of like cedar tone, honey tone, natural, redwood. Those are gonna be your natural, your most natural looking colors. And again, I think they work on any type of newer wood. Semi-transparents are the workhorse of the stain and seal industry. They work on lots of different things. They're designed to give you the long life that you're looking for on your wood, but also the beauty because they're semi-transparent. They still allow the wood grain to show through. So if you've got any wood that's either brand new or a couple of years old, semi-transparents are gonna be a great option because they're still gonna let you see the beauty of the wood grain, but they're gonna give you that long life due to the heavy pigmentation that you're gonna find in those stains. Expert Stain and Seal offers quite a few colors in semi-transparents. These are colors you've heard of like pecan, walnut, chestnut, mahoganies, sequoias, and then the entire log and timber oil line are also semi-transparent. So we should have a color that'll fit just about any need in a semi-transparent finish. So semi-solids are a great option for older wood or restored wood or even brand new wood where you want one of those colors like a gray, a green, or a black. Semi-solids do a really good job of covering up imperfections and old things and mismatched wood because the opaque pigmentation. Semi-trans and transparent stains use transparent pigments where semi-solids use opaque pigments, meaning we can't see through it. So you do a really good job of covering up old and ugly stuff. So if you got an old fence or something you want to cover up, take semi-solid as a serious consideration, available in lots of colors. You've heard of these color names before. We have our palominos, our sables, our chocolate browns, our Cape Cod grays, our blacks, even eucalyptus, which is a nice grayish green color. Any of those are gonna be a really good option if you want something different. Visit www.expertwoodcare.com or call us at 1-833-4-THE-EXPERT to learn more.